Smart glasses are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best smart glasses from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Razer and Zoo Smart Glasses. Blue light filtering and polarized sunglass lenses included. Its blue light filter lessens screen glare to protect your eyes, reducing eye strain so they feel fresh and focused while enjoying entertainment or working, while the polarized replacement lens shields your eyes from the sun. Low latency audio. Its industry-leading 60 milliseconds Bluetooth connection delivers smooth, stutter-free sound that allows you to stay immersed without any disruptions from audio delay or skipping. Built-in mic and speakers. With the Razer and Zoo, you can go hands-free when taking calls thanks to a discreet omnidirectional mic built into its frame. Touch-enabled and voice assistant compatible. Change music tracks, play or pause media, manage calls, and activate your smartphone's voice assistant, all from the glass's sleek touch interface. More than 5 hours of battery life. With this much mileage on a single charge, it'll never run out during long gaming sessions. When folded up and not in use, it conserves power by shutting off automatically. Number 4. Avantree SG188 Smartaudio Glasses. Style meets functionality. Now you can take your audio with you, wherever you go, without the fuss of headphones. The SG188 is not only a pair of sunglasses, it's also a Bluetooth 5.1 speaker that provides the audio soundtrack for your active lifestyle. Shield your eyes. Sunglasses with polarized lenses like the Avantree SG188 can effectively reduce light glare and eye strain and block harmful UVA and UVB rays. They are an optimal choice for those who spend a lot of time driving, boating, or skiing, and will help protect your eyes throughout your day. Enjoy crystal clear calls. Equipped with dual mic noise reduction technology, the SG188 sunglass frames effectively filter out excessive background noise during a call. Be confident that people can hear your voice, loud and clear, no matter where you are. Hear your surroundings. With its open-ear design, the SG188 rests on your ears without covering them, so you can hear your music and your surroundings at the same time, without disturbing anyone around you. Enjoy peace of mind listening to a podcast downtown, while still remaining aware of traffic. Ready for a workout? The Avantree SG188 Bluetooth 5.1 audio sunglasses are made of high-quality waterproof materials rated at IPX5, so you don't have to worry about the effect of sweat, rain, or snow. Feel free to wear these sunglasses out for a jog or during your deep-sea fishing trip. They were designed to withstand the elements. Number 3. Vufine VUF110 Wearable Display. Vufine VUF is a high-definition, wearable display that seamlessly integrates with your technology, truly unlocking its full potential. Whether for your smartphone, laptop, or drone, Viewfind VUF connects via HDMI cable to provide a second monitor or mirrored display. Use Viewfind VUF anywhere you need an extra screen without taking your eyes off the world around you. High-definition virtual display clear enough for video and text. Magnetic docking station easily attached to flat or oval-shaped eyeglasses stems when you need it and pocket it when you don't. Internal battery for a 90-minute runtime, charging 5V micro USB. Highly portable, small, and incredibly tough. Number 2. Fauna Audio Smart Glasses. Nothing in or on your ears. Fauna Audio sunglasses allow you to listen to music, make phone calls, and control your voice assistant hands-free while protecting your ears and staying aware of your surroundings. Premium sound quality. Powered by uSound MEMS premium micro speaker technology, the unmatched audio quality is integrated into the lightest and thinnest frames of any audio glasses available today. Each pair is equipped with 2 microphones and 4 premium micro speakers, Bluetooth 5.0 pairing, and are IP52 dust and water resistant. Convenient touch controls, located on both sides of the frames to conveniently control your music or take calls with just one touch. You can even go completely hands-free by using your device's voice assistant. Charging case included. Use the sleek charging case to conveniently charge your sunglasses on the go up to 4 times. Our rechargeable batteries have an industry-leading battery life of up to 20 hours in standby mode and up to 4 hours of continuous audio streaming. High-end technology never looked so good. Fauna Fabola audio sunglasses have an elegant cat-eye design and packs industry-leading audio technology into the thinnest designer audio glass frames available. Number 1. Bose Frames Audio Smart Glasses. Sunglasses with built-in Bose speakers that produce rich, immersive sound for you, while others hear practically nothing. Open-ear audio allows you to stay aware of your surroundings while enjoying your music. Bose frames Alto feature a classic angular shape and commanding lenses in 2 sizes. Bose frames S/M lens width 53mm, bridge width 20mm, temple length 135mm. Integrated microphone for clear calls and access to your phone's virtual assistant. Personalized settings, access to future updates, and more available through the Bose Connect app. Bluetooth connectivity for easy pairing. Battery life 3.5 hours streaming, 12 hours on standby. Charge time 2 hours. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.